Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make chili paste at home. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 50 grams of cutter chili and 50 grams of dry prawns. That means I wash it and dry it and too. And 1 tablespoon of sugar and chopped garlic, chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, that means monosodium. We need chopped onion 50 grams and 50 ml of oil, coconut oil or any olive oil or any oil you can, what you prefer you can take. We'll see how to make that now. First of all, we'll grind this and take, powder it and take. We'll grind nicely. This is my powdered dried prawns. We'll add the oil, 50 ml of oil. And add the chopped ginger and garlic. And little roast it. If you have a piece of lemongrass, you add to this oil also. Now here this is enough. Now we'll add the onion also and keep it for another few minutes. Here now this garlic and all little bit golden color. Now we'll add the other ingredients. First we'll add the cutter chili and sugar, Ajinomoto and half a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. I am not adding too much of oil because it's not good to the health. And we'll add the powdered prawn and mix it well. If you want more spicy, that means 50 grams of prawns, you add 100 grams of cutter chili. Then oil becoming, double it and take, that means 100 ml of oil. Now see the taste. Here this is enough. We lock this and here's my chili paste. You also make and taste and see. It's very easy and delicious.